Dekor Plus Hands-Free Diaper Pail, easiest to use by Dekor, is one of the best baby diaper pail liners products. Who's excited about changing diapers 6,000,9,000 times per child? Dekor hands-free diaper pails are designed to make this unpleasant chore as easy as possible for you and your budget. Unlike other disposal systems where you have to bend over, operate the lid, or shove a soiled diaper halfway inside the can, Dekor pails are 100% hands-free. After a diaper change, you are likely to have baby in one arm and the soiled diaper in the other. No one has a third hand to operate the diaper pail. Just step on the manufacturer's foot pedal and drop the soiled diaper through the trapdoor. No squishing, twisting or cramming. No other diaper pail on the market is as easy to use. A child-proof lock keeps curious toddlers out. Continuous liners allow you to empty the pail whenever you want, using only as much refill as you need. Simply cut the refill with the kid-safe cutter located inside the access door, discard, and tie a new knot in the remaining bag. You don't need to waste a full bag to empty a partially full pail. There is an effective triple odor control that keeps smell in the pail. First, the spring-loaded trapdoor shuts immediately after the diaper passes through. Next, rubber gaskets on the trapdoor and the top lid tightly seal odors inside the pail. Finally, the refillable liner helps neutralize odors with a pleasing baby powder scent. Because all the manufacturer's pails are made with closed-cell ABS plastic, they cannot absorb odors like cheaper plastics, will not dent, and are scratch and fade resistant. You'll be able to use the manufacturer's product long after your little one is out of diapers. Simply pop out the diaper insert and use in the bathroom, kitchen, or garage. Great for use with cloth diapers with the Dekor Cloth Diaper Liner. The Dekor Plus holds up to 60 newborn diapers and is available in the following colors: white, gray, pink, blue, black, soft mint. Totally hands-free, step, drop, done. No bending, no twisting, no squishing, unlike ordinary pails. Most cost-effective diaper pail refill system on the market. Dekor refill system creates less waste. Use only what you need. Effective triple odor control keeps the smell in the pail. Award-winning product tested by millions of parents. Closed-cell ABS plastic works like metal but won't rust. Use only genuine Dekor refills with exclusive end-of-liner marking. Comes completely assembled with one full-size, not a starter, refill pre-installed. Life after diapers, converts from diaper pail to trash can.